guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me unboxing and using my juicer for the first time. I decided to get a juicer because I was struggling with making sure that my toddler was getting in enough fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. She has shied away from wanting to eat vegetables with every meal, so I decided a good way to get her to get the vegetables in would be to juice for her. Also, I wanted to incorporate juicing into my everyday meal plan as well. I went to Best Buy and picked up this juicer for about 60 or 70 bucks and ended up getting the Bella High Power juicer. In this video right now, I am taking it out of the box and setting up all the pieces before I begin the juice and introduce you to how well it does. And here she is, all ready to go. Putting it together was really simple. I didn't even use the instructions. It was just like putting together a small jigsaw puzzle. And I'm ready to do a sound test so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like before I actually put anything through the machine. All right, let's start her up. I have all the fruit cut up. I have the kale ready to go. We're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna let you hear what it sounds like when I turn it on, but I'm not going to record the whole video with the loud noise, obviously. So, see what it sounds like on low. That's on low. And high. Obviously, it has fruit in it. So that is the fruitless sound of running the machine. So yeah, let's get started. So here is the finished product. Nice blend of the colors. I used about 5 oranges, 4 apples, and then the 2 cups or hand scoops of kale. The recipe called for 5 leaves, but I only had chopped kale, so I just eyeballed 2 handfuls and figured that'd be enough. And then I used half of a lemon to put into the mixture. At first use, I was terrified. I thought I was going to just cut my finger off or something. I don't know why, because the blade is way down there, and obviously I was using this to push down the fruit, so there's not much risk. I just was terrified. High-low settings, and then this is your waste output cup. fuller than what I thought it would be. And it's a little moist, not extremely moist, but I did use apples and oranges and lemon, so I expect it to have some type of moisture. Again, this is a $50 juicer. This is not a $300 juicer, so if you're expecting completely dry leftover pulp, yeah, you might want to invest in a more expensive juicer. I'm okay with this. This is my first time having a juicer, first time juicing in my life, so I am satisfied with my results. I think I'm going to use the leftover as fertilizer for my plants that I have in the house, so I'll look up some recipes for that. So let's go ahead and taste. So I took the lid off, and I'm actually going to give this a stir because it seems a little uneven, obviously. Quick stir. And you can see the final juice. It's more green than what I thought. Not a lot of foam, which is good. And I'm just going to put the spout thing back on for easy pour. So here we go. And that's for me. And there you go. That's my first juice with my new juicer. I will continue to do update videos of different recipes I try, different fruits that go through the juicer. Obviously, I expected oranges, apples, and kale and lemons to go through smoothly. But the next video, I'll try something like a carrot, maybe some celery, broccoli, some of your harder vegetables, and see how the juicer handles that and what my juice output is. But for now, this is what we have, so I'm excited, and it worked pretty well for me. Let me know in the comments if you had a juicer before, what brand you had, and what your experience juicing, as well as leave me recipes. I am in for good recipes. Until next time, thanks.